Alright, inside of stuff. So can I see that diagram over here?
Voice boss.
So, no. Other diagram?
No.
See? So, we'd like to see something not exactly like this, but close to something like that. What I am trying to show you the white matter and gray matter arrangement. So, can I have this? So, you see that the organization of the brain and spinal cord, basic organization is the same. Central, you should have the gray matter. You can see some gray matter here, here. Can you see some gray matter? This is also actually gray matter. So these are the inner gray matters where we have got the thalamus, hypothalamus, something like that. All right. So here, and then we have got the white matter because we have to communicate. So this is the myelinated axon part, mini myelinated axon part. And up to spinal cord, we have got only these two, inner gray and then outer white. But in the brain, we have got the additional cortical layer, additional gray matter outside, as you can see right here, additional gray matter, all right, additional gray matter. And in some cases, if we can cut right here, or still you can see the cavity inside, all right, cavity inside. Is this normal, or the sheep was crazy so that it has got something like that? What do you think?
Normal.
Normal? So if it is normal, what is the name of this cavity? Okay, he is trying to tell us something here. Okay, I think you are right. Pardon?
The septum pellucidum.
No, there is no septum. In some cases, you can see the septum. This is one cavity. This is called the ventricle. You forgot. Ventricle. All right. So he was confused, but he was right. So you see the ventricle. And which ventricle?
The right.
No, we don't call it right. Or lateral ventricle, or the lateral ventricle. Then you can say, yeah, this is right or this is wrong, but we call it lateral ventricle. All right. And both the ventricles will meet somewhere. You can see that I'm inserting this thing. Will meet somewhere which is called the third ventricle. All right, third ventricle right here. You can see the third ventricle. Then we have got one very thin duct right here, not seen, right here. And here we have got another ventricle exactly here. That is called the fourth ventricle. And can you see one thin line is going down? That is actually one part of the tube. That is called the central canal. It will go all the way down as the spinal cord, as long as the spinal cord. All right, this is the central canal. So this is the fourth ventricle, and this is the lateral ventricle. Somewhere down there, we have got the third ventricle, like close to the thalamus. If you cut it open, maybe you will be able to see that thing a little bit more. All right, third ventricle somewhere here, not still. Here we form the cerebrospinal fluid. Then the ventricles are being filled. Then the CSF goes right here in the fourth ventricular level. Then we have got three openings, two side openings, one opening over there. Then the CSF flows outside the brain as well. So just above the pia mater, you know that there is space, then the arachnoid matter, and the space is called subarachnoid space, and you have got the CSF flowing right here, all right, flowing right here. Anything else? Okay. Now